first at 3.
Oh, so you would have been there.
How we doing?
Good. I'm just videoing.
There you go.
I videoed everything so far. Herculaneum Historic Society YouTube channel.
Oh my gosh, I know. And that's it. I'm only going to call the winner. I'm not going to bother anyone else about it. It's just...
Oh.
And that would just be kind of softening, not, melted.
Yeah, we were afraid of
And then this peach would be a
Some people said that they put all the stuff like Friday or
Hell, we could start a tree trimming business. Yeah.
Yeah. He's got a compressor, a little compressor. He's got an arm. Hey. Yes, the whole
Hey.
I'd be willing to do it, but come and help people set up their pavilion.
See, we just got the invitation.
If it wasn't good for Howdy, howdy.
Hi. I'm filming for YouTube.
Oh, awesome.
Yeah, I filmed the whole thing. Just
That's awesome.
thought I'd take a walk through and I don't know how well it does. Yeah, there we go. If anything, I can edit in a still photo.
Perfect. Lisa, you put it on YouTube, so. You can give this spiel if you'd like. I don't
All right, here we go.
Red.
That'll be good. Now, let me put my hat on. There we go. That's right with my hat on.
He's
You're having way too much fun.
He's a little excited.
That's all right. I'm excited too. Yeah.
Alligator poodle.
All right. Okay. Here we go. An orange bird. Oh, here. There he is. Okay. It's okay. One orange bird coming up. Have you ever seen an orange bird before?
No.
No? Well, you're about to see one today. All right. Twist here, just like that. Hold it. I twist here just like this, and I pull this down just like that, so this becomes the bird's beak, just like that. Now, the next part. Hold it up just like this.
Well, his owner's on the phone. We're not going to stop him.
Hey, look, they got Mickey firefighter shirt.
Oh, we're on video.
Hi. Herculaneum Historic Society YouTube.
Well, hi YouTube world.
Hi. So what are you promoting today?
Well, this is a book that I wrote.
Oh, well, tell us about your book.
Well, it's about a little girl that doesn't know what she wants to be when she grows up, and she ends up trying all these things in fire service and falls in love. So
Yeah.
Wonderful. Where can you buy your book?
On my website at ffindieadventures.com.
Sounds wonderful.
And book 2, hopefully by next summer.
Awesome.
Do you need a shout out? Shout out to Allison. She's here all day, folks.
I got stuff to give out, color changing cups. Come on down.
Well, I just figured you might as well plug your book.
That's right, I appreciate it.
All right.
Good one.
It's really a nice day.
Yeah.
Better than yesterday.
Oh, you selling the cinnamon roll?
Nope. I'm protecting that with my life.
Oh. Wow.
Yeah, they are hard time getting started.
That's some right here. I brought my own.
The other truck is already open.
Hello.
Yeah,
I bet Bill had the full collector series of all of us.
he did. And he had a lot of these hanging up at the firehouse. Oh, we did have him hanging up at the firehouse? Yeah, that's why they still have that. Oh, the old firehouse. The old firehouse.
Get that wash system right on.
Nobody can do it. Nobody does.
She won't sell me that cinnamon roll.
I don't know. Hard to work. Oh, I don't know. Or send them a link, or whatever.
I'm the mean guy that commented on your videos or your pictures. You were standing in front of the dog's poops and you're holding the dog, and I said, "Are we supposed to pick up the dog since you were holding the dog?" I knew it. I meant it in good, in fun.
We like to do little fun things sometimes, just to get a laugh out of people, you know.
Yep.
The city's serious business, but we try to make it a little fun.
Yeah, you got the point across
Yes.
in a fun way.
Yeah.
Well, do we have anybody sign up?
I gotta throw pictures of my granddaughter's taking.
Hi.
Hi, how are you?
I commented on your holding the dog.
Oh,
Do you pick up the dog or the poop?
Yeah, right. I had an easier time than Candace did.
That was a big dog she was holding.
I know.
But you got the point across very in a tasteful way. Well, that's a bad way to say that. But I am videoing my little walkthrough. It'll be on the Herculaneum Historical Society, so feel free to steal it and post it on Herculaneums if you want.
Very good. Candace does the Facebook page. I do the blog for the city's website, so.
All right, just Herculaneum Historic Society YouTube. That's where it all is. Bill got me on this. Now look. Nice talking to you.
Here comes the man with the wallet. I just keep putting my hand
You haven't paid off the judges, it's time to do that now.
I tried to beg a cinnamon roll from one of the women and she wanted $100. It's like, wow. Cost some money.
Okay, are the judges ready? Okay. Okay, so the first category is largest dog. You guys got your picks?
We're working.
Okay.
They're running through them all. So
Oh, okay. So on the awards that we're going to give out for the dog competition, or the Dalmatian competition, is largest dog, smallest dog that's not a puppy, most spots, fewest spots, best dressed, and best trick. So whenever the judges are ready, we can do a trick after that. So. Okay, you ready for best trick? Okay, we can start with whoever wants to go first. Just do the trick and we'll go from there.
And you send her. Go back, 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 back. And you take a bow. And you take a bow. Woohoo! Good job, Dixie.
Okay, we've tallied the results. Thank you for both coming here, or all three of you, sorry. The largest dog was awarded to Dexter. The smallest dog was Ember. The most spots was Ember. The fewest spots was Dexter. The best dress was Cinder. And the best trick was Dexter. So congratulations to all the dogs. Thank you for coming. Okay, that is the conclusion of the Dalmatian show.
Usually in around 20 seconds. You don't hardly have time to get out of bed anymore. In the old days, if the wife hitting your arm and going, honey, can you check out the alarm and see what that is? When you hear that, get out, stay out. Close the door behind you and go to your meeting place. There's on both sides you'll see a styrofoam cup. Okay, that's these are set up to look like a college dormitory room. The only difference is it's a little bit cleaner than a college dorm room. Right? So you'll see a styrofoam cup up there, and we have that so that you can help me see how hot it gets in there. That styrofoam cup will melt at about 350 degrees. So that is going to tell us how that fire banks down. So John's laying a piece of paper on the floor right there, because a lot of times when this, what we call a flashover, that would self-ignite at 500 degrees at the floor. On your left side, that's probably going to happen in between 3 and 5 minutes today. We'll go to 500 degrees at the floor. Keep in mind too, when you see the smoke rolling out of that side, on the left side, there's no doors or windows that keep it contained. So in your house, that smoke would be on the floor in just a matter of seconds, and you wouldn't be able to breathe in there. John, I'm ready when you're ready. So what I need from the crowd is on looking in the right side. When you see fire start to go in there, you let me know, because I'm going to turn my timer on and we'll see how long that takes. Guys, remember what you sleep on and what we wear on our bodies these days and in our homes. We pretty much sleep on oil-based products. Okay, they used to say fire doubled in size every 3 minutes. That's a whole misnomer. It just burns so rapidly anymore because it's oil-based products that we wear and that we sleep on. That's why we buy new furniture every time that we do this, because people go, hey, can I burn my old mattress? No, we want them to see what a new mattress will do. And you guys let me know when you see that fire back there. All this is a trash can. We use no anything to make it excel faster. It's just a little trash, a little newspaper in a trash can. Beautiful today is, right? Yesterday was a little bit soggy out here. Watch that styrofoam cup on the right side and see if it even melts today. Let me know when you see something back there. Okay, we've got fire. I hear the alarm going off. Get out, stay out, close the door behind you. "14 seconds. It's taking a while today. We're at 28, 30 seconds. There it went at 49 seconds. That's going to put that, keep that fire in control until the fire department can arrive. Keep in mind that the fire department is usually about 10 to 15 minutes out. And remember, it's designed to keep the fire in control. In most cases, it will extinguish it. But if not, it will. Then the fire department has a better chance to come in and handle it. They're just going to come in with a water extinguisher now and just finish it up. Does that look like something now that could be dried out and salvaged and you'd be back in your home tomorrow, right? Yeah, they could clean that up and get you right back in there. They're going to make sure that there's no hidden spot fires in there. What you think about that? That was pretty quick, right? So you could have a restoration company dry out your mattress, dry out your carpet, and you'd be back at home. They're just making sure that the fire is completely out so that whenever we close this up today, I still get to take my trailer home tomorrow. Good job, guys. That looks great. If you could take the smoke alarm down for me. Hit it with the pike pole. There you go. All right, we're ready to do the other side now. Imagine if you weren't even home when that happened, right? If you weren't home, you would have a little bit of water on the floor, but your furniture and everything would still be there. And your pets. Who's got pets that they leave at home all the time? Right. You guys are going to have the same job now again on this side. You're going to watch that fire, wait for that fire, and we'll time this one out. This one's going to get a little bigger. So the best time to have these sprinklers installed is when you're building a new home. Talk to your home builder and tell him, hey, I saw this demonstration and I want a sprinkler in my new house. We've got fire running in the back corner in the trash can. We're at 10 seconds. Trash just got started in the fire, in the can. We're at 26 seconds. There's 40 seconds. On the other side, it was out already. The sprinkler had went off by this time. Now there is not a sprinkler in there to go off and put it out. Now you're waiting for the fire department to get called. You're making the call to the fire department. That's 1 minute in, folks. 1 minute from the time that that trash can caught on fire. That's why you need to get out, close the door, and stay out. We're going to watch and see if that cup on the table melts today. We're going to watch that smoke get angry and black because it's burning all that oil-based product. It's about 1,000 degrees at the ceiling right now. Now that smoke, remember you don't have that opening, so in your house there's nothing for where that smoke could go except out the door and out the window. So it's going to be at the floor by this time. Anybody starting to feel the heat back here on the front row? We're only 2 minutes in. 2 minutes is what this looks like in your room. Also keep in mind that you'd have more fuel load in your room than what you've got in this one. There goes my styrofoam cup. It's starting to melt down, so it's at about 300 degrees at the tabletop right there. We're going to watch now is that smoke, that heat is rolling out the top, is going to pull fresh air in at the bottom. It's going to create that flashover. Right now it's just fit 500 degrees at the floor. That was a lot of fire. Who said that? 2 minutes and 40 seconds, guys. That's all it took to get that room going like that. Your fire department is still responding somewhere in the distance. We love these guys, but it takes them time to get there. Your safety relies on what comes out of that sprinkler. And if you guys want to spray Paul back there just for old time's sake, that's fine. Now that smoke is going to take it a little bit while to finish out, but you're going to see, and then you're going to be able to look at the two rooms and look at the difference. There's nothing left salvageable on side 2. You guys should have it now. That should be good. They flowed water for a couple minutes. They used about 200 gallons of water there in that short amount of time. You're not going to get to sleep in that room in a day or two, are you? So remember, talk to your home builders out there that you know that you want to have fire sprinklers in your new homes so that you can survive, that your pets will live when you're not at home and you're at work and the fire goes off. We appreciate you guys for coming and visiting us today. You can look at nfsa.org to get more information that's out there on fire sprinklers. Give one more round of hand to your local heroes for helping you out every day. We'll be around for a few minutes. If you have any questions, we'll be here.